Listo. Sharpen on the echo. Okay, Chele. You show them. No. Maybe un poquito. Loosen the 2 bolts. Pull it off. Más. This one. La otra. Take it out like this. Look. Like this. Pull it. Sí, poquito. Yeah, put that.
Come on, put that.
Show it in the side. Let me see. Inside. People looking. Put a screwdriver in there and turn it. Hold it. To the light. Like this. So when you sharpen it, they don't hit each other. You can see right now. And really you're shining it, not sharpening it. If you want to think about it like that. I'll show you the after. This is before. We're gonna use a Dremel tool. I don't know what grit this is, but it's a pretty tough one. I think we need a new one. I'm wearing it out. Good, Chile. Make sure you put on glasses. No es solo uno, todo. Showing the sharpen, not sharpen, sharpen. You really just shine in it. Come on, motherfucker. Hurry up.
Manicure. ¿Necesita manicure? ¿Necesita manicure?
No, no manicure.
¿Ah?
For you?
¿For you?
No.
You know, you?
No. Me, novia. Ah. Waiting on you. We're also working on this mower. So what happened was, it wasn't starting. We figured out the solution. It was a sensor. But this bolt on this back side, we have 2 mowers that have done this. On this bottom bolt here, I'm guessing because of heat, but this one on both of them snapped off. I can show you this one right here, and here's the other one that we had. Let me see. Let me see real quick. Show you. It's on the other side. All right. So you can see. This is the same one right there. Right here, it's the same bolt, and it snapped off. So I guess it's common to happen. That'd be my guess. So if you're doing something like this, just beware. Might have to, we're gonna cut it off like this. We use this one as a test one, but we're gonna cut it off and drill it out, and then put a new bolt in. Reseal it up and call it a day. Put it back together. But yep. It's cold as hell outside. It's like 18 degrees out here. It's cold. Motherfucker.
The wood maybe essentially.
Maybe.
What?
No.
That's good.
Yeah, pero maybe the other one is basura.
The other one necesita chile. Same. Okay, you. Pretty good.
Okay, Chile.
Check it out. Go, Chile.
See?
Sure.
It's real.